Greetings, Math Ninjas. Today we are talking about factoring expressions. So we've done simplifying expressions, we've looked at like terms, we've looked at distributive property, and today we're looking at factoring expressions. And to factor an expression is to rewrite in the form of distributive property. So let's actually begin by looking at a distributive property situation, k distributed to 8 minus 5. So in this expression, to simplify it, we are distributing the 8 to the k and the 5. That is multiplying 8 times k, 8 times 5. So we've got the simplified form of 8k minus 40. Okay? So once this clicks in our brain that we're saying 8 times the expression k minus 5, starts to click, and we move to that solution pretty quickly. Okay. Now, let's look at a situation where we need to factor an expression, where we're asked to do that. So we're going to take the expression 14x minus 28, and we're going to ask ourselves, what is the GCF? You guys remember what GCF is? Greatest common factor. So when we're looking at 14 and 28, what's the greatest common factor? 14. So we can factor that out and rewrite this in the form of distributive property. So we're going to say, in this case, the version we're looking for is 14 distributed to x minus 2. These are equivalent. 14x minus 28 is equivalent to the factored form of 14 distributed to x minus 2. That is the factored form. Let's do another example. This example is 9y plus 22. 9 times the value of y plus 21. Let's do that. 22 would not be as useful for us because it would already be simplified. So 9y plus 21, what's the greatest common factor? Take a look at that. What are you seeing? Factors of 9 are 1, 3, and 9. Factors of 21, 1, 3, ding, 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 7, and 21. So the greatest common factor here is 3. So we can factor out a 3 and say 3 distributed to 3 times 3 is 9. 3y plus 3 times what is 21? 7. So this is the factored form of the expression 9y plus 21. All right, and one more example, just to look at a rational number. And this isn't too tricky, this example, but I just want to show that this can be done with rational numbers as well. So how could we rewrite this in factored form? 1/7 the value of a, take away 1/7. What's the common factor, right? It's right there. Common factor is 1/7. So we could say 1/7 times the value of a, 1/7 times a is 1/7, minus 1, because 1/7 times 1 would be 1/7. So this would be the factored form if you needed to, were asked to find the factored form of that expression. Okay, so learn these fundamentals of factoring expressions, and we'll continue to play with it in different forms. Good job, Math Ninjas.